Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the 3 things I use to keep all of my money organized. And before we dive in, if you are ready for financial freedom right now, comment freedom below in the comments. And if you're really serious about fast tracking your financial freedom, click the link below this video in the description and I can help you do that. All right, let's dive in and talk about the 3 things I use to keep my money organized, because I know a lot of people struggle with this. They have a hard time knowing how much money's coming in and how much is going out and where it's going. So I wanted to share these 3 things with you guys. And the first one that I want to share is using a free app. So I actually use 2 different ones, but you can just pick one and go with it. I use mint.com and personalcapital.com, and you can use their website version or their apps on your phone. But I like these because you can link all of your financial institutions into these apps, and then you can check on your money in like 30 seconds. So if you have any credit cards, you can link those. If you have an auto loan, you can link that. You can link your checking and savings, your retirement accounts, your mortgage, everything you can think of. You can link these to Personal Capital or Mint, and you can have access to all of your money in one place. So it makes it very convenient, and you can just, you log into the app once everything is connected, and it doesn't take too long to set up. You just need to enter in your account numbers and passwords to all of your different money accounts, and it just takes a few seconds to update it, maybe up to 60 seconds or so. But you can kind of just check this every day, every other day, every week, whatever works for you. But it just makes it really nice so you can see exactly where your money is going and how much money is coming in. And you can really keep an eye on things, especially if you maybe have a subscription you forgot about. You can see that it's been billed, and if you're not using it, then you can cancel it. So it's really just convenient, and you can also track your net worth in these apps, which makes it really nice so you can work toward your financial freedom number, and you can keep track of that. So it's just very convenient to see all of your money in one place. So I really like using those, and I'm going to leave a link below. If you wanted to sign up for Personal Capital, they do give a free $20 if you link at least one of your retirement accounts to Personal Capital. So I'll leave the link below if you're interested, no pressure. And then the second thing that I want to talk about is I use a spreadsheet along with this free app. So what I do is I have in my spreadsheet all of my different categories that I want to keep track of within my budget, or spending plan is what I like to call it. And, so I have like tithing in there, and I have my car payment, my insurance, my mortgage, all my different categories, if you will, for my budget. And so I take all of the transactions that are in this free app and I export them into my spreadsheet. And then I can see exactly which category I'm spending how much on. And if I need to adjust something, then I can. So it makes it really convenient. And some people just use the free app. They don't need an extra spreadsheet because it actually has a budgeting section in there. And you can change the categories to whatever you would like. So you don't have to use a spreadsheet. I'm kind of a nerd like that. So I like using a spreadsheet and the free app. So I'm not typing in anything, I'm just exporting all of those transactions into my spreadsheet. And then I can see, exactly where my money is. And if I need to adjust something, then I can just, see that very easily in my spreadsheet. And if you are interested, I do have a budgeting course that I've set up. So I'll drop the link below this video in the description, and you can check that out. It's just a step-by-step process on kind of exactly how I organize my money. And I give you the template for my spreadsheet so you can take a look at that. And it's just, it just kind of simplifies things, and it shows you exactly how to use one of these free apps and how I export all my transactions into my spreadsheet and keep it up to date. So if you are interested, I'll leave the link below this video in the description and you can check that out. And then the third thing that I use, and this is so old school, you guys, so if you have a better idea, please share it in the comments. But I still use a check register. I like to know how much money I really have in the account, because when you're spending money out of your checking account, sometimes things don't clear the same day, or you're waiting for a deposit to come in. So I use a check register and write down everything that I've spent out of my checking account, and then I balance it so I can see exactly how much I do have in my checking account. So I'm not going to be nervous that a deposit hasn't come in and I'm going to have to pay a mortgage payment and I'm going to be in the negative. I just like keeping track of my money, and I don't want to pay any fees for not having enough money in my checking account. So I use a check register. Yeah, tell me what you guys think about that. I'm curious to hear, because I know probably most of you don't, most people don't. I don't know. I'm kind of old school that way. But I just find it really helpful because I know exactly how much is in my checking account, rather than, just logging into my account and seeing that balance, which isn't accurate because not all of my bills have gone through yet, or my rent payments haven't come in yet from my tenants. So I just like, being sure of exactly how much I have in my checking. So these are three main things that I use to organize all of my money. So if you guys found this video helpful, please like it and share it with someone else who would like to hear this information. And if you have other ways that you are organizing your money, post that in the comments below, so we can get ideas from one another. And if you have content that you would like me to create, maybe you have a question about something in particular regarding money or finances, put that in the comments below and I would love to create more videos for you guys. And if you are really serious about fast-tracking your financial freedom, click the link below this video in the description and I can help you do that. And please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That will really help me out and I can continue to make these awesome videos for you guys. And I will see you in the next one. All right, thanks.